From the dawn of humanity, we have gazed up at the stars, our view limited by the power of our own eyes. But now, we have extended our vision far beyond what our ancestors could have imagined, thanks to the marvels of modern technology. Satellites orbiting silently above us provide us with a perspective of our planet that is both awe-inspiring and in some ways, deeply unsettling. These sophisticated machines equipped with powerful cameras and sensors can peer down at Earth with incredible detail, capturing images that reveal the intricate tapestry of our planet. But with this newfound ability to see all, comes a host of complex questions about privacy, security, and the very nature of observation itself. The resolution of satellite imagery has advanced dramatically in recent years. Early images from space were grainy and indistinct, but today's satellites can capture images with astonishing clarity. Commercial satellites available for use by governments and private companies alike can now distinguish objects as small as a car, and in some cases even individual people are discernible. Military satellites, shrouded in secrecy, are believed to possess even greater capabilities with resolutions that remain classified. The level of detail these satellites can achieve raises profound questions about the limits of privacy in an age of constant surveillance. Satellite capabilities extend far beyond simply capturing visual images. Equipped with a variety of advanced sensors, they can detect a wide range of phenomena invisible to the naked eye. Infrared sensors can detect heat signatures, allowing satellites to track the movement of troops and vehicles even under the cover of darkness. Hyperspectral imaging allows satellites to identify the chemical composition of objects on the ground, aiding in everything from mineral exploration to monitoring crop health. These advanced capabilities make satellites invaluable tools for a wide range of applications, but they also raise concerns about the potential for misuse. The increasing power of satellites has fueled a growing debate about the ethical implications of space-based surveillance. With the ability to monitor vast areas in real time, satellites have the potential to erode privacy on an unprecedented scale. The very notion that our movements can be tracked from orbit is unsettling to many, raising concerns about government overreach and the erosion of civil liberties. While some argue that satellite surveillance is necessary for national security and law enforcement, others worry that it could be used to suppress dissent or target individuals based on their political beliefs. Finding the right balance between security and privacy in the age of satellite technology is a challenge that will only become more pressing in the years to come. Section 5. When satellites become weapons, security implications of orbiting eyes. The use of satellites for military purposes adds another layer of complexity to the debate. While satellites themselves are not weapons, the information they provide can be used to gain a strategic advantage in military conflicts. Satellite reconnaissance can be used to track enemy movements, identify targets, and assess damage after an attack. The increasing reliance on space-based assets for military purposes has raised concerns about the vulnerability of satellites to attack. Anti-satellite weapons developed by several countries have the potential to cripple communication networks, disrupt navigation systems, and blind intelligence agencies, potentially escalating conflicts and destabilizing entire regions. Section 6. The double-edged sword. The dual-use nature of satellite technology. The same technologies that make satellites powerful tools for surveillance and military operations can also be used for a wide range of beneficial purposes. Satellites play a vital role in monitoring the environment, tracking weather patterns, and coordinating disaster relief efforts. They help us understand climate change, predict natural disasters, and respond more effectively to emergencies. This dual-use nature of satellite technology highlights the complex ethical dilemmas we face in the 21st century. It is clear that satellites have the potential to do both great good and great harm, and finding the right balance between these competing interests will require careful consideration and international cooperation. Section 7. Satellites on steroids. The future of space-based observation. The capabilities of satellites are only going to become more sophisticated in the years to come. With each passing year, we are witnessing remarkable advancements in satellite technology that are pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Advances in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and sensor technology will enable satellites to collect and analyze vast amounts of data in real time. This means that satellites will not only be able to capture images and videos but also process and interpret this data on the fly, providing actionable insights almost instantaneously. Facial recognition software, already being used by some governments for surveillance purposes, could soon be deployed on satellites, raising further concerns about privacy and civil liberties. Imagine a world where satellites can identify individuals from space, tracking their movements and activities with unprecedented precision. This could have significant implications for both security and personal freedom. The miniaturization of satellites, driven by the rise of CubeSats and other small satellite platforms, will make it cheaper and easier to launch constellations of hundreds or even thousands of spacecraft, creating a truly global surveillance network. These small but powerful satellites can work together to provide comprehensive coverage of the Earth's surface, monitoring everything from environmental changes to human activities. The potential implications of these technological advancements are both exhilarating and unsettling. On one hand, we have the promise of enhanced global security, improved disaster response, and better environmental monitoring. On the other hand, we face the risk of increased surveillance and potential abuses of power. As we move forward, it will be crucial to balance the benefits of these technologies with the need to protect individual rights and freedoms. Section 8. The need for orbital governance, regulating the use of satellite technology. As the capabilities of satellites continue to evolve, so too must our efforts to govern their use. Satellites have become integral to modern life, providing critical services such as communication, navigation, weather forecasting, and environmental monitoring. However, with these advancements come significant challenges and responsibilities. The rapid development of satellite technology necessitates a robust framework to manage its use effectively. International agreements and treaties are needed to prevent the weaponization of space, ensuring that space remains a domain for peaceful exploration and cooperation. These agreements help to establish norms and rules that all spacefaring nations must adhere to, promoting stability and security in outer space. Ensuring responsible use of space-based surveillance is crucial. Satellites have the capability to monitor vast areas of the Earth's surface, providing valuable data for various applications. However, this also raises concerns about the potential for misuse, such as unauthorized surveillance and data collection. Protecting the privacy rights of individuals is a fundamental aspect of satellite governance. As satellites can capture detailed images and data, it is essential to have regulations in place that safeguard personal privacy and prevent intrusive monitoring practices. The Outer Space Treaty, signed in 1967, prohibits the placement of weapons of mass destruction in orbit. This landmark agreement laid the foundation for the peaceful use of outer space, but it does not address the use of satellites for other military purposes, such as reconnaissance and communication. The use of satellites for military purposes remains a contentious issue. While the Outer Space Treaty addresses some aspects, there is a need for more comprehensive regulations to cover the full spectrum of military activities in space. This includes addressing the deployment of defense satellites and the potential for conflicts in orbit. The growing concerns about privacy in the age of satellite technology cannot be ignored. As satellites become more advanced, the potential for invasive surveillance increases, making it imperative to establish clear guidelines that protect individual rights and freedoms. Establishing clear guidelines and regulations for the use of satellite technology is essential to prevent misuse. This involves creating policies that balance the benefits of satellite technology with the need to protect national security, privacy, and international stability. Policymakers and experts must work together to develop a comprehensive regulatory framework. Ensuring that these powerful tools are used for the benefit of all humankind is a shared responsibility. Satellites offer immense potential for improving our lives, from enhancing communication and navigation to monitoring climate change and natural disasters. By regulating their use, we can maximize these benefits while minimizing potential risks. The future of space exploration and our ability to reap the benefits of satellite technology depend on our ability to find common ground. International cooperation and collaboration are key to addressing the challenges and opportunities presented by satellite technology. Establishing a framework for responsible use is not just a necessity, but a moral obligation. By working together, we can ensure that the advancements in satellite technology serve the greater good and contribute to a more connected and informed world. Section 9. Finding balance in the skies, Weighing the benefits and risks of satellite monitoring. Satellites have become an indispensable part of our modern world, providing us with invaluable data and enabling a wide range of applications that benefit society. From weather forecasting and disaster management to global communications and navigation, the reach of satellite technology is vast and transformative. These orbiting devices help us understand our planet better, monitor environmental changes, and even assist in agricultural planning by providing critical data on weather patterns and soil conditions. However, the increasing power of these orbiting eyes also raises profound ethical and security concerns. The ability to monitor activities on Earth from space can lead to potential invasions of privacy and the misuse of surveillance data. There are fears about the militarization of space and the potential for satellites to be used in ways that could harm, rather than help humanity. The debate over who controls the data and how it is used is becoming increasingly urgent. Finding the right balance between harnessing the benefits of satellite technology while mitigating the risks is one of the defining challenges of our time. Policymakers, scientists, and ethicists must work together to create frameworks that ensure the responsible use of satellite data. This involves not only technical solutions but also legal and ethical guidelines that protect individual rights and promote global security. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible in space, it is crucial that we engage in a thoughtful and informed debate about the implications of our actions. The rapid advancement of satellite technology demands that we stay ahead of potential issues through proactive measures and international dialogue. This includes addressing concerns about space debris, the sustainability of satellite networks, and the equitable access to space-based resources. Only through careful consideration, international cooperation, and a commitment to ethical principles can we ensure that the future of space exploration is one that benefits all of humanity. By fostering a spirit of collaboration and shared responsibility, we can navigate the complexities of satellite monitoring and create a future where the skies are a source of knowledge and progress for everyone.